let's go to bed. Okay guys, welcome in another episode of my tiny furnitures. Basically, I told you I don't want to show you some crazy stuff, some crazy tutorial. With these videos, my purpose is to show you some very fast and easy techniques for having a lot of furniture in a very short time, okay? This time we are building a nice bed. See you later. So, for this easy, simple, fast little project, we're gonna need a chipboard, graphics chipboard, some kebab sticks. I like these because they are square, toilet paper, a couple of pieces of foam. First of all, we're gonna draw the shape of the head and the final part of our bed. Our bed will be around 1 inch per 2 inches. So I'm creating now the two extremity, 1 inch and half inch for one, like that, and half inch also on the other side. Okay, and then 3/4 of inch cut another line. Okay, I will explain later why. So now I like to give to the bed a round shape. So we need something round. A washer will be perfect. So I go like that. And then on the other piece I go like that. Now we have this and this. Okay, we cut that. Okay, now we need our kebab sticks, and we're gonna cut 2 pieces of 1 inch and 2 pieces around 3/4 of inch. Cut and cut. Now we need the actual bed. So we need a piece of foam around 1 inch by 2 inches. Okay, you can cut it by hand with your knife, but I will cut it with the Proxon, so it's much easier. So I've cut this. It's around 1 inch and 7/8 per 1 inch, and it's around 3/8 tall. Okay, now this will be our wooden bed with the mattress. Now we need to separate the soft part from the wooden part, so we just trace a line, okay, around at the in the middle. No need to be precise. Okay, the important part is the lateral part. So the long part, this part is the important. Okay. Yeah, let's do also this one. Okay. Now we consider this as wood and this as the soft part of the bed. Okay. So we just press like that the soft part a little bit. Okay. With the nail sander, we just do like that a little bit. Okay. So we are creating a rounded edges like that. Okay. On the bottom part we need to create a wood grain as usual. Now for these two pieces we need a little bit air dry clay, not so much. We use a little bit of PVA glue on our chipboard. Wet your finger a little bit and press the clay. When the pieces are smooth, take it, turn, cut off the excess. I'm sorry guys, the purpose of the air dry clay was to have something to carve. Yeah, I forgot to put the camera on, so I missed the record of my sculpting process. I will show you what I carved on the clay at the end of the building process, okay? See you in a bit. Before put everything together, I just I wanna take care of these pieces, so you can do it by a normal sandpaper. I'm using this because it's new and I want to try it. Now for put all together we use some super glue. Now we take hot glue and we put on the foam. I suggest you to use a baking paper here. And one. Try to go in the center. For the pillow, I use another piece of foam around 3/4 inch by 1/4 inch. Okay. Again, I've done this with my driller, but you can do it also slower by a sandpaper, okay, with a sandpaper. A drop of hot glue and the pillow is there. For the blanket we use a piece of toilet paper. We just need water-red PVA glue, like that. And we go on the bed, okay? I like yeah. Now it's just a matter of drying time. As you can see, now the bed is perfectly dried, and I hope you can notice that I carved in the head of the bed, in the final part here, something. You can carve whatever you want. You can draw some lines, even just the wood grain. This time I just decided for some irregular lines, stuff like that. Okay guys, this is it for today. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you want, please consider to subscribe my channel and follow all the episodes of my tutorials and my Eagle's Nest Castle and my showcase. For example, we are very close to conclude our Eagle's Nest Castle. Please check the episode 9, that is the last one released, and prepare yourself for the great ending, okay? If you want, please consider to support this channel through Patreon. Follow the link below. Just at the cost of one coffee you can support this channel and my activity and my work, okay? So please consider to drop some bucks on this channel through Patreon. The links below are also all the materials and supplies and tools that I used and I recommend. So buying those materials through those links, you will help also this channel. Okay, so please consider to have a look. Till next time.